Good day. This clip would show how you can use two FieldFox's to run a ERTA measurement or ERTA. So in this clip, we'll show how you can use this measurement to characterize a horn antenna. So in this first FieldFox, it will be my source. So I've connected a whip antenna to the source port, and you would need to have a reference signal back to this FieldFox, and that's connected to the receiver end. That would be the second whip antenna that I've used for this measurement. And this would be the horn antenna that we're trying to characterize today. You would also need to ensure you have the trigger ins and output ports connected to each FieldFox's. That would be the trigger out, and that's the in. So this would go to the in of the other FieldFox, and the out of that FieldFox will be connected to the trig in port of this other FieldFox. They're both connected via USB LAN, so that's how you can do the remote control. And this is where I'll be receiving the signals, and I would do the setup on this FieldFox. So let's just have a look here. This horn antenna's optimized for 25 to 26 gigahertz range. So I'll just do a 25 to 26 start and stop. I'll turn down the RBW to about 100 kilohertz. Because I'm not in a chamber, I know the signals are relatively low. So I'm going to turn on the preamp and turn off the attenuation, if you will, to 0 dB. So that's the first thing we have. Now we can go to measurement setup and hit ERTA partner. If you've established the IP address settings to connect between the two FieldFox's before, you could go ahead and hit enter. It will tell you that a valid ERTA partner has been identified, which is what I want. If you have not done this before, you can go ahead and connect to the connection wizard, start, and you'll be prompted with some message or instructions on what connections to be made. As I've done that, that's the partner that I found, and that's great. And you can do a test partnership here. All three should be checked, which means that you have the triggers in and out set up correctly, as well as the USB connection or Ethernet LAN. Continue. I'm just going to skip this because I've done this before, but go ahead if you've not done it before. Hit continue, and I'm done. The next thing you would want to do is to set up the source, which would be coming from the other FieldFox. Let's hit source. Let's put a source at about 25.5 gigahertz. It's at CW at the moment, just so I have an idea. So that's where I want it. And I can see, yep, that's the source there. It's great. So now I'm ready for my ERTA partnership and measurement. Let's click on it. So partner has been validated. What I want to look at is the gain or loss across the antenna. So I'm going to click on it, and I'll probably have to adjust the reference level. And as you can see, I'm starting to see the gain across the antenna. It's going up and down, and that's expected because I'm not in a chamber. But otherwise, you would need to do so, and your measurements would be a little better. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching.